You know, for them, they're saying that the AFCON, they will try as much as possible and again be able to get a slot. There is a friendly tie that will be coming against Zambia, and the ladies are saying they are charged and they want to go and star. But even before that, yesterday, they were able to receive the COVID-19 jabs, and a lot of them are saying we are not the happiest of a lot because we don't have money. We cannot sustain ourselves. We are optimistic, hopeful that the government will say, let the leagues resume. And maybe with that, we'll be able to have a reason to smile. At the same time, continue to do what we love doing. And that simply means playing football.
Federation, venye wamefight, tukafika hapa, tunashukuru. So tungeomba pia wafight hizo game za team za league. Pia kama zinaweza pata hii chance.
Fitness is healthy, so as much as kuna corona, anafaa kuna hiyo exercise watu wanafaa kupiga. Juu football, fitness is healthy. So ukiwa na COVID una fight. Ama mtu akiwa mgonjwa anaambiwa siku zote piga zoezi. So naweza omba tu watufungulie na watu rudi grao na itubambe.
Still continuing this football gear, FC Leopards on the other side, we know they play in the top tier league here in the country. The league has been suspended. The players are not a happy lot, but their chairman, that is Dan Shikanda,